Germany's expanded partnership with Rheinmetall for the large-scale production of 120mm ammunition for the Leopard 2 main battle tank represents far more than a typical defense procurement decision. It is a defining component of a new national security paradigm. As Europe grapples with an increasingly volatile geopolitical landscape, Berlin's move signals a deliberate and long-term shift toward robust military preparedness, industrial resilience, and strategic autonomy. The conflict in Ukraine has served as a stark wake-up call, revealing that Europe's decades-long complacency regarding ammunition stockpiles, manufacturing capacity, and defense sustainability is no longer tenable. Faced with the realities of modern high-intensity conflict, Germany is now determined to rebuild its defense foundations, and the Leopard 2 ammunition expansion stands at the center of that transformation. The Bundeswehr's need for Leopard 2 ammunition is enormous, not only because of its own expanding heavy armor fleet but also due to the widespread reliance on Leopard tanks across Europe. With more than a dozen countries deploying variants of the Leopard 2, the system has become the backbone of NATO's armored power. Germany's decision to scale up ammunition production therefore carries implications far beyond national borders. It ensures that allied armies, from Central Europe to Scandinavia, can access a dependable stream of NATO standard 120mm rounds, reinforcing interoperability and easing logistical coordination during joint missions or major NATO exercises. In the face of potential contingencies along the eastern flank, this ammunition supply chain could serve as a critical lifeline, enabling cohesive, multinational armored formations to sustain prolonged operations. The contract's scope reflects Germany's recognition that ammunition is not merely a consumable item but a strategic asset. Germany's defense leadership has long acknowledged that ammunition shortages were among the Bundeswehr's most severe readiness challenges, with some analyses indicating inventories were drastically below NATO's expectations. The situation became even more strained as Germany provided significant military aid to Ukraine, including tanks, artillery, and large quantities of ammunition. Rebuilding these reserves requires not just buying more rounds, but fundamentally expanding industrial capacity to ensure sustained and scalable production, something Rheinmetall is uniquely positioned to deliver. The expanded agreement between Germany and Rheinmetall includes multi-year commitments that guarantee consistent manufacturing output, with production lines running at higher speeds and greater capacity than at any point since the Cold War. Rheinmetall is preparing to employ new automation systems, improved quality control frameworks, and a more resilient supply chain for propellants and specialized metals. These enhancements allow Germany to stockpile thousands of rounds annually while also ensuring that ammunition variants, from armor-piercing subcaliber penetrators to programmable multi-purpose rounds, meet the evolving technical needs of frontline armored units. This effort seamlessly aligns with Germany's broader Zeitenwende, the sweeping realignment of defense policy introduced in response to the war in Ukraine. The initiative aims to modernize outdated military platforms, reform procurement processes, and revitalize Germany's defense industrial base. Yet Germany's Zeitenwende cannot succeed without addressing the foundations of military capability, and ammunition remains one of the most essential elements. By prioritizing large-scale production of 120mm rounds, Berlin demonstrates that it understands the hard constraints of modern warfare. No matter how advanced a tank may be, it is rendered ineffective without a steady and reliable ammunition pipeline. Germany's Leopard 2 modernization plans further underscore the importance of this ammunition expansion. The upcoming Leopard 2A8 variant, set to become one of the most advanced tanks in active NATO service, features new sensor suites, improved armor, upgraded fire control systems, and enhanced protection against modern battlefield threats. These technological improvements require correspondingly advanced ammunition to maintain battlefield superiority. Rheinmetall is expected to continue refining next-generation rounds that complement these tank upgrades, ensuring the Leopard 2 platform remains lethal, accurate, and adaptable in the face of emerging armored warfare dynamics dominated by drones, active protection systems, and hybrid threats. The geopolitical significance of Germany's expanded ammunition partnership is equally important. NATO's eastern flank continues to experience heightened tension, and alliance leaders have repeatedly stressed that deterrence must be backed by tangible readiness. Germany's reinforcement of ammunition production sends a message of commitment, not only to its own defense but to the collective security of Europe. Nations like Poland, Lithuania, Finland, and Estonia, which sit closest to Russia's borders, have long pressed for greater military preparedness within the alliance. Berlin's move provides reassurance that Europe's industrial backbone is strengthening, enabling NATO to field and sustain heavy armored units for extended operations if necessary. Additionally, Germany's move helps address Europe's dependence on limited global supply chains for defense materials. Recent crises revealed how fragile these networks can be, with delays in critical components disrupting production schedules. The Rheinmetall expansion is specifically structured to mitigate these vulnerabilities by emphasizing local, diversified, and stockpiled resources. This ensures that Germany can maintain consistent production even in the face of future geopolitical or economic disruptions. For Rheinmetall, this expanded partnership serves as a major catalyst for growth and innovation. Already one of Europe's most rapidly expanding defense companies, the firm stands to significantly increase its workforce, invest in new production technologies, and enhance its research and development capabilities. Beyond ammunition, Rheinmetall's broader portfolio, from infantry fighting vehicles to air defense systems, positions the company as a central pillar in Europe's defense modernization effort. Germany's trust in Rheinmetall underscores the company's strategic importance and its capacity to deliver under fast-paced and high-demand conditions. In the end, Germany's expanded collaboration with Rheinmetall represents a profound shift in the way the nation views national defense and industrial readiness. It moves Germany away from decades of minimal stockpiling and toward a model that embraces robust, long-term preparedness. It strengthens NATO's heavy armor ecosystem, consolidates Europe's defense industrial base, and signals to adversaries that Germany is fully committed to sustaining advanced military capability. As Europe enters an era marked by uncertainty and the resurgence of state-level threats, Germany's decision to elevate ammunition production for the Leopard 2 tank stands as a defining milestone, one that will shape European military strategy, industrial policy, and defense readiness for decades to come.